Let's talk about cost-efficient hole making in the medium diameter range. The KenTIP FS is a modular drilling system with inserts that cover the entire front part of the drill. The coupling is completely protected from chip flow and protected from contact with the workpiece. Let's see what this modular system has to offer. Drill bodies with 1 times D, 3 times D, 5 times D, 8 times D, and 12 times D length to diameter ratio. 3 different shank styles: straight shank, flange shank, and flange shank with a flat. The biggest available diameter is 26 millimeters and smallest is just 6 millimeters. That's amazing for a modular system. Let's look at the insert geometries. HPG point for steels, HPC point for cast irons with through coolant, HPL point for stainless steels with through coolant, FEG point for flat bottom holes and pilot drilling, DAL point for CFRP stacks with metal exit, non-ferrous materials, and titanium, and the SPF point for CFRP. The pocket seat has some unique features: a taper interface uniquely designed for highest rigidity clamping, a retention lock prevents insert pullout, large bearing surface positioned for transmission of highest torsional loads without pocket deformation, and a large face contact surface. The large ultra-high polished chip flutes guarantee hassle-free chip evacuation, enhancing tool life and performance. And then we're getting to these additional built-in coolant exits. In conjunction with the other coolant exits, we have a total of 4 coolant exits for coolant delivery to the drill point and to the rake face for guaranteed coolant delivery where it's needed. That's especially important when drilling stainless steel and managing the heat in the cutting zone. Let's talk about the applications. KenTIP FS covers a lot: blind holes, through holes, incline exits, stacked materials, and now also flat bottom drilling with the brand new FEG point. Every drill body comes with a KenTIP FS Smart Wrench. The insert exchange in the machine becomes easy and saves idle time, and that saves money. See how easy it is? Thanks for checking out the KenTIP FS with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to make sure you never miss any of our videos.